In front of me is Motorola Razr 30, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons. You need to begin by holding your device's screen and tapping on Home Settings in the pop-up. After that, click on Icon Size and swipe left or right on this slider in order to adjust it. You can check out Preview above. Then tap on Home button. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!